Coconut water. Damn, coconut water. Coconut water. And make sure this cookie tea. While we in Florida, he said I feel like a bad hoe. I'm like, yo, hold up. I'm tryna hop on your face and spark it up like a motor. Coconut water. Coconut water.
Check out my hang time.
While we in Florida, he said I feel like a bad hoe. I'm like, yo, hold up. I'm tryna hop on your face and spark it up like a motor. Keep it got like a bougie, bitch. I keep the sushi clip.
Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Tanaya Antoinette, and if you've been watching for a while, hey, welcome back. So y'all, don't mind how I look, because as you can see by the title, I'm getting done up. I'm getting put together this week. Okay, so yeah, my hair is currently a mess, but my sister is finna braid it for me, and I'm getting some braids that I've never had before. I'm getting French boho braids. And I hear they're high maintenance, so we shall see how this goes. But I have hope that I'll take care of it just fine. But yeah, I'm about to run over there really fast because I was supposed to be over there like 5 minutes ago. But I wanted to give y'all a quick 1-2 before, because I didn't want to start this video and my hair is already done, you know? I mean, that would have been nice, but that's not the case. I will see y'all over there, and then afterwards, I will talk to y'all. Bye.
That's hot sauce.
So I'm not gonna lie, I kind of deleted part of my intro, and it was of me getting my hair done and then me showing y'all the look, like fresh clean cut of what it was looking like. Yeah, I think I deleted it. I mean, when I'm editing, I'll go back and see, but if not, new intro, fresh start, because as you can see by the title, your girl is getting ready for vacation, and I wanted to show y'all all of my prep. And baby hair was part of it, but as you can see, the hair is still cute. I got boho French curl. It's really cute. I'll insert some pictures though, but they're like side pictures. They're not, I don't know, y'all, give me grace. I've been like all over the place. Stuff's been happening at work, getting new accounts, everything, and I'm just like, this is bad timing. Like, I don't want no new stuff before I go to vacation. Like, what is going on? But it's here, and we'll figure it out. Yeah, hopefully I have my hair stuff, the hair videos, so y'all can see that. But your girl is about to go. I want to go get my eyebrows threaded, and probably gonna hit up like H&M for Tony, so he can find like a few, like, you know, regular shirts for while we're over there. And yeah, but y'all, look at my hair from the back. Yeah, period. Something simple outfit today. Okay, your girl just got off work. I changed my shirt because I had a jacket on, but it's too hot outside. It says 99 degrees but feels 102. Absolutely not. I had to put on a t-shirt. But come on, y'all, let me take y'all to the stores with me. I never recorded myself getting my eyebrows started, so we'll see if I can get that done, and I'm gonna try. But don't hate me if I can't. Love me anyway. Yeah, give me a second chance just like you do that man. Okay? My fresh cut, y'all. Now we're in H&M. I was trying to find those pants that I had tried on that one time last time I was in here, but we shall see. Look at these olive ones. These aren't vacation pants, but these would probably be cute for work, right? They're kind of cute. Were they these? Were these the pants? No, these weren't it. That's too creamish. It would also be cute if I could find a matching set like this too, with some sweatpants and a top for the airport. What does that match? No. Ooh. Come on, let's go. Oh, here they are. I think these are it. How much are they? I need $30. Should I get them? Should I get them, chat?
Oh, they're on my bandstand.
I might have to retry them on. I can't remember which size I tried on. This is kind of cute. I told Tony, y'all, this gives vacation. He got to put this on. You got to put this on. Behind my mouth. It's clean. Swag, swag. What Justin Bieber say? Hey guys, so it's the next day. And I am very, very sorry because I do not have my mic and I am in the car. I was supposed to, first of all, I just got off work. And after getting off work, I was supposed to go straight to Lawrence to get my nails done. But your girl left her nails at home. Yeah, I left my nails at home. So I have to go home first. And then I have to go get my nails done. And then I have to go out to eat with my sister. But the thing is, I'm in traffic. It's traffic, y'all. We going 5 miles per hour. It's been a fun time for little old Naya, but that's okay. I was just like, let me talk to my ladies and give y'all a quick update because there's nothing else to do. I'm literally on a road where if I was going regular, I'd be home in like 5 minutes. This is giving me an ETA of 25 minutes. This is ridiculous, Texas. Jeez, they need to hurry up and fix the freaking interstates. Like, why do we have to work on the roads every year? Mind you, the stuff should have been perfect 2 years ago. Where does the tax dollars go to? We pay taxes and our roads effed up this bad. That ain't right. I'm sick of it. I don't know who I need to write a letter to. Let me calm down. I'm sorry, because I'll get into it. I'll write a letter to the city and I'll let them know, hey, this ain't right. But yeah, I wanted to give y'all a quick little update because your girl's nails is looking bad. But we're going to fix that. See? I got to go, y'all. People don't know how to drive. I love you guys. Alright y'all, so I'm in my car. Just got done from getting my nails done. Lauren put them on me. She did a good job. I'm not gonna lie, at first when I was looking at them, I was like, do these give witch? Like, I was looking at them, I was like, this is giving like abracadabra. Like, y'all see what I'm talking about? But then when she took a picture of them, they look pink in the picture. So I was like, okay, they just had that little iridescent look to them. So I was like, it's cool. But anyways, y'all, I'm about to go eat with my sister. I know that's not very maintenance-y, so I'm not going to show y'all that because it's not relevant to this vlog. But just wanted to give y'all a quick little 1-2 because I don't know if I'll see y'all later today. I don't know. Y'all probably see me. Oh, now my sister interrupted me. Hello?
Hey, where you parked at?
Yeah, I had to drive all the way around. It was a maze.
Right. They needed a bigger parking lot for that.
I don't know where our tax dollars going.
Girl, it's a stupid ass.
But yeah, y'all, I'm about to go eat with my sister. Or I'm finna go. Hopefully I see y'all later. Bye my girlies. Let me not give y'all that bye like that. Bye my girlies, because y'all didn't do it to me, so I'm not finna do it to you. All right, good morning y'all. Good morning. It's Saturday morning. Your girl has been up and at it. I went to Pilates this morning at 8 and just got back. So when I just got back, I started cleaning as soon as I got back. I've been here for like maybe an hour. But we leave for Cali on, it's Monday morning / Sunday night. And one thing I like to do before I go anywhere, if I'm traveling anywhere, baby, I deep cleans my house. Because when I come back, I don't want to come back to no mess. So that's what I've been doing. I've been cleaning. And then I have to pack. Well, I'm kind of going to pack and clean at the same time. Because I'm going to get together like all the clothes that we're taking. And then, yeah. So, yeah, I already put up my bed. I'm preparing my bed for wash. I already got some dirty clothes washing right now. I'm gonna put that in the washer. Gonna be brand new. We're going to clean up all this miscellaneous stuff that we got going on. Let me give y'all, I'm gonna just give y'all a whole preview so y'all can get a before and an after of my room. Okay, so, and this is no judgment, these are all clean clothes, I just haven't folded them. Room, before. Clean clothes, I'm about to fold them up. Room. All right, y'all. This is real. This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. Yeah, I'm about to do that. I also got some meat out because I'm gonna cook tonight. No more fast food until the trip. San Diego, show me what y'all got to offer. Y'all look at the hair. Check out my hang time.
Eyes when you touch on me. Look me in my eyes, say it's all for me. I get it, cause I'm fine, she bugging.
Good morning, guys. Yeah, room is clean. I'll show y'all everything afterwards. I'm done packing because I still have like the stuff that I'm packing everywhere, and you know, figuring that out. But yeah, and it's not even morning. I mean, I've been up since the morning, but if we keeping it a buck, it's 1:55. We went and got a suitcase last night. Honestly, I'm gonna see how much this fits, and we might have to go get another one because we both get a carry-on and a personal item, and this can be my carry-on and he can go get his own carry-on if it don't fit. Hopefully it does. I'm gonna try my best to make it all fit, but PSA. But yeah, let me go ahead and get to packing, see what all is gonna fit in here, and go from there. I just wanted to give y'all, I just want to say hey again. I wasn't gonna leave it where it was, but y'all was gonna be like, girl, you in a whole new outfit change. I'm hungry, y'all. Bye. Alright, y'all, we're at the airport. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video here and see y'all in the next one when we're actually in San Diego. Bye.
High volume.
Am I really that